One of the coaches I worked with just taught me how to tame my mind to the point where I stopped worrying about money. And that had never been true about me for 30, 35 years. He gave me the skill of how to talk honestly with myself. Some of it's, based on a lot of the principles that Dr. Albert Ellis talks about in cognitive behavioral therapy, like things like that. I never went to school for that, but yet here's this coach who really understood a lot about that I hired, and I didn't even hire him to help me with that. He just saw what I needed. And again, I told you I worked with a continuum of people. This one particular coach named Dave made a huge impact on my life, and he taught me these things. And so I'd say this skill of being able to evaluate one's own thoughts, be able to talk honestly to oneself, to understand your mind, I think is huge. But I think that's true for all humans. I don't know if I would just limit it to entrepreneurial activity. I would just say it's probably more important for people in entrepreneurial activity because you are going to have a lot more stress and pressure on you than the average person does. I think you are essentially building your own boat and then going out to sea on it. And you're just entirely responsible for everything. And once you start hiring people, you do feel this sense of responsibility for them as well. Like in my sphere right now, I have about 11 people who I pay in some way each month, some full-time, some very part-time. I've got partners on one particular project I'm on, and they're relying on me doing my job well for their livelihood, So the capacities that you build within yourself with all these skills, the work ethic, the self-talk, your ability to market, your ability to collaborate with others, you get to a certain level of skill and it makes a new level of opportunity and success possible. And then it's like, you have to work through that, and then a new level is available to you. And so you just kind of keep going up if you choose to do so.